higher.
Yeah, because we're not that far. I think I see it. Right beyond that lake.
See the airport? We're coming up on the airport, right under my nose. Do you see it? Is that it right there? Yeah, we're going over the airport right now. Right in front of you.
Yep, that's it. That's it right there.
Initial contact. Bartow Executive Airport. Information Charlie, time 1350 Zulu, wind 180 at 10, visibility 10 miles, stagnation is scattered at 2,100 and broken at 4,500. Temperature 28, dew point 22, altimeter 3007. Vector on approach, landing and departing, runway 9 or left. Use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact, give information, Charlie.
Charlie. Okay, we're 7 miles out, Bob.
Okay, let's give him a call. 121.2. You want to call him?
Bartow Tower, Lake 2536, Popper. 7 miles to the north. Inbound with Charlie, full stop landing.
Haven't heard any.
Lake 2536 Papa Bartow Tower, report to a 2-mile left base for runway 9 or left.
2 mile left base for 9 or left to 2536 Popper. 2 mile left base for 9 left. Got it, Bob?
Yep. That might be the airport. I think that's the airport.
Yeah, that's the airport, buddy.
Okay, I'm going to fly a little bit to the right so I can...
Yeah, we're going to go left base for 9 left. We got a ways to go yet. But we're looking good. See the rain over there?
Yep, that's a rain shower. I'd like to fly through it and wash my airplane. You can see through it, you can fly through it.
That's right. I wonder if they heard us call in. Harry, I mean.
Well, I don't know. 9 or left, okay. 9 or left.
Yeah, because right off our nose is Lake Hancock. That's where I work out.
Oh, okay. We'll head that way. What's a 2 mile, we're 4 miles out now. Get about twice as close as this, we'll be ready to call them up.
He wants a 2 mile left base.
Yep. Okay, make sure. We're 3 miles right now.
Yep.
Mr. Full Rich. Okay.
So I got 3.4 miles, 3.3. So we'll give him a call in a little bit.
Yeah. You give him a call right now. Tell him you're 2 miles left base. That's 3.3 to be the middle of the airport.
Uh-huh. Bartow Tower, Lake 2536 Papa, about 2 miles left base for 9 left.
Lake 36 Papa, roger, runway 9 or left, clear to land.
Clear to land for 2536 Papa, 9 left.
Wheels are coming down.
Okay.
Mixer full, Rich. Propeller full forward.
Yeah.
Eggs on both, and an opening around fuel pump as required.
Gears down. You want to get the flaps down?
Flaps down.
Very good. So you got the runway, right, Bob?
Yeah, you see 9 left?
9 left.
Yeah, I see it.
Very good.
They're pretty close together, 9 left, 9 right.
They sure are.
9 right really stands out, but 9 left is set back a little bit. Okay, wheels are down.
Wheels down, land.
Bartow Tower, Skyhawk 5524 Alpha, on the RNAV 9 left.
Yeah, just a 5524 Alpha Bartow Tower, put the final approach fix for 9 left. Report the final, 24 Alpha.
He's not anywhere near us.
That's what's nice about a controlled airport. You don't have to worry about it, you know?
That's right, Bob.
This is 9 left right here.
Yeah, that's right. 9 left, Bob. Boy, there's a lot of traffic out there.
Is there?
There is. When you go out to 6 nautical miles. Beyond 6.
Okay, we got a 10 knot crosswind.
That's right, Bob.
Right on the side of the airplane.
Well, you know how to do it, Bob.
Yep. Gear down, flaps down, make sure ridge prop forward.
80 miles an hour. There's somebody waiting for departure. Wind is light, Bob.
Is it light?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Wind is light.
Good, good, good.
Very nice. How about that?
Well, that was a squeak squeak.
That was an excellent landing, Bob.
Squeak
Excellent.
squeak.
Excellent. So take Alpha 2 if you can.
Yeah.
And when we get over there, I'll switch to.
Hey, Lake 36 Papa, you going to the hangars?
Amphibians Plus.
Alright, you can taxi via Bravo and monitor ground on point 9.
36 Papa.
Oh, you
Monitor
got it.
ground. We're monitoring ground now.
Yeah. Good idea. How about that? I think it's over yonder. Air conditioning, Bob.
Yeah. That feels good. That breeze is beautiful. He is a lake amphibian specialist. I've never seen so many lakes in one place.
I know. I got most of the flight on camera, Bob,
Oh, good.
because I got distracted by that flight pan crap. I forgot to turn it on right away.
Oh, yeah.
But I got to remember to. I'll call flight service now and tell them to close it.
Yeah. Well, you opened it on takeoff. I mean,
Yeah,
before takeoff.
I filed it from home.
Yeah.
I had to call them to activate it because they got an error response.
Oh.
I don't know why.
Well, I hope Harry remembers me. Smoke?
He will. Well, I always mention you when I visit him.
Uh-huh. Well, that's good. That probably gets me better service.
Oh, he's a decent man.
Oh, Harry's a nice guy. He's very thorough. Very, very thorough.
Yes, he is indeed. I've got to send you one of my training flight links. I think you'll enjoy that.
Well, you know, I have checked both brakes.
We did all right.
You got a call to close your flight plan?
Yeah, I'm going to give him a call. Well, it's a good thing. It's a good idea, you know what I mean? I want you to go to the right.
Radio's off, off, off.
Lights off.
Headlights off. Strobe light off. Everything's off. Radios are off. Your lane.
Mixture lane. Mags and master.